Let's learn these letters together. S, C, P. Awesome! Let's spell this word together. D, O, G. Dog. Excellent! Let's learn about positions. This one is on the left. This one is on the right. Let's learn about height. This flower is shorter. This flower is taller. You're the best. Let's learn these numbers together. 9, 4, 2. All right. Let's learn how to trace this letter. Q for queen. Please tap these colors: red, white, green, pink, apple. You did it. Please tap the moles to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. Let's learn uppercase letters and lowercase letters. This is an uppercase B. This is a lowercase b. You're the best. Let's learn about positions. This one is on the left. This one is in the middle. This one is on the right. You did it. Tap the numbers to match them to the right amount of dots. 4, 7, 9. You did it. Please tap the mushrooms to collect them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You did it. Let's learn these numbers together. 7, 9. Fantastic! Let's learn about colors. Red, blue, pink. Please tap these colors: blue, orange, green, blue, green, blue, blue. You're the best.